Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install LastPass password generator for secure productivity step by step clearly. To get started, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type LastPass password generator. Hit the enter key to load the search results. Locate the official LastPass website from the results. Click on the link to access the LastPass homepage. On the homepage, look for the Get Started button. Click on it to begin the sign-up process. If you already have an account, select the Login option. For new users, fill in the required fields to create an account. Complete the registration by verifying your email address. Once registered, log in to your LastPass account. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the section labeled Vault. In the Vault, find the Generate Password feature. Click on it to open the password generator tool. You will see options to customize your password. Adjust the length and complexity settings to meet your needs. Once satisfied, click the Generate button. Watch as LastPass creates a secure password for you. You can copy this password directly from the tool. Ensure to save it for future use. Explore additional features and settings as needed. Take advantage of LastPass's security recommendations. Your productivity can now be secured with strong passwords. Remember to regularly update your passwords for optimal security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.